page number 67, Friday, August 9th, 1086, 1086. It has been almost 350 years since Tariq bin Ziyad set foot in Al-Andalusia, and now see what the Muslims have reduced themselves to. It is a heart-rending experience to observe the state of Muslims in Spain today. Pitiable. When will Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala deem it to fit to awaken the Muslims out of their sloth and slumber? Can you imagine the glory, the power, the prestige we have lost it all? In this paragraph they are saying that it has been 350 years since Tariq bin Ziyad came in Al-Andalusia or Spain. But now if you see the condition of Muslims in Spain, that is not acceptable. कि पहले जब तारिक बिन ज़ियाद आए थे अल अंदलूसिया में और जब उन्होंने अपनी जंगें लड़ी थी मुसलमान खित्तों के मुसलमान तबकों को या फिर मुसलमान जितने भी ट्राइब्स थे उनको जीता था, तो उस वक्त की कंडीशन कितनी अच्छी थी। और अब जो आप है मुसलमानों की कंडीशन स्पेन में देखें तो बहुत ही अफसरदा है। Can you imagine the glory and the power and the prestige we have lost it all? Lost it all means कि अब जो है वो मुसलमानों ने अपना वक़ार, अपना पावर सब कुछ खो दिया है। I feel despondent over the fate of Muslim sovereignty in Spain. Al-Andalusia was wealthy and sophisticated under Islamic rule. Mediterranean trade and culture exchange flourished. मतलब पहले मुसलमान मुल्क जो थे वो बहुत ही sophisticated थे, उनका रहने सहने का तरीका अच्छा था, इस्लाम के मुताबिक था, मतलब हमारे अपने मज़हब के मुताबिक था। लेकिन उसके बाद जब मेडिटेरियन कल्चर आया, उन्होंने दूसरों का कल्चर एडॉप्ट किया, फिर दूसरों का कल्चर उन पे ज़बरदस्ती इम्पोज भी करवाया गया, तो उसके बाद उनकी कंडीशन टोटली चेंज हो गई। एज यू कैन सी हियर दैट आई हैव गिवन पिक्टोरियल एक्सप्लेनेशन country Al-Andalusia. Before, what was the condition of Muslims? They used to pray, they used to live according to the teachings of our religion, Islam. But after that, before condition was they used to be religious. But after that, after the Mediterranean culture, they were involved in other things. Muslims imported a rich intellectual tradition from the Middle East and North Africa, including knowledge about mathematics, science, and philosophy. They continued to build upon it. Muslims were the ones that established libraries, gardens, founded universities from all over Europe, and created a state that reflected Muslim way of life and thirst for scientific knowledge. We were the ones who lighted the way for Europe from the dark ages. What can you do? You have to follow the path destined for you by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and pray for guidance, I thought to myself. Means when Muslims adopted the culture from Middle East and they adopted the culture from North Africa, but they did not only adopted the culture, but they also gained or took the knowledge about mathematics, science, and philosophy. And they means who? Means Muslims. They build gardens, they built libraries, they established universities. मीन्स मुसलमान जो हैं वो उस वक्त काफ़ी फेमस थे, उन्होंने यूनिवर्सिटीज़ बनवाई, उन्होंने लाइब्रेरीज़ बनवाई, उन्होंने इंफॉर्मेशन अपनी दूसरों से एडॉप्ट की, सिर्फ कल्चर एडॉप्ट नहीं किया लेकिन नॉलेज भी एडॉप्ट की। So Vlll has written, as I told you in the previous lecture, that Vlll has written all these incidents in his journal. So he has written all these sentences or this paragraph on Friday, August 9th. So he's saying that I feel really bad that what was the condition of Muslims before and what is the condition of Muslims now. Why is he saying this? He is saying this because before the Muslims were practicing their lives according to our religion Islam, but now they were involved in other things. And before, Muslims were having power, they were not under the control of other powers. But now, what was the condition of Muslim? Now they are under the control of other religions. Now they are under the control of other countries.